Would you like to take advantage of Ancestry's mapping features and not have to pay for ProTools to get it? Well, Ancestry made a big announcement when they released ProTools that if you wanted to see the mapping where all of your ancestors lived, you had to pay the extra monthly fee for ProTools. But I got a hack for you. You can do it without having to pay. At least you can right now. So, I'm Aimee Cross. I want to help you take your genealogy to the next level and do it for free. I did a video last week about all of the different features on the iPad. I'll give a link to that video at the end of this video. But one of the things that I didn't cover was the ability to see the locations that you have in your family tree on a map, on your iPad, on your tablet, on your phone. It works on a phone too, and you don't have to pay for ProTools to do it. And the app is free. So let's talk a little bit about what you can do. Now, this may change, and right now ProTools is not available on the app. And so the features like the new features with the DNA matches and seeing your shared centimorgans and things like that with your DNA matches, that is not even available on the apps at this point. So at some point they may be changing this, but for right now, you can see all this stuff and you don't actually even need to have an Ancestry account, okay? So let me tell you how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to have a tree on Ancestry. Now, when you have an Ancestry account, you can build a tree for free. You don't even have to pay for an account. You just have to create an Ancestry account. So if you did a DNA test, you created an Ancestry account and you can build a tree there. When they start charging you is when you want to look at the actual record images, okay? You can build a tree for free, but you can add in manually fact information, birth, death, all that junk. But when you want to look at a record like a census record or something like that, you got to pay. Well, if you have a family tree and you don't want to pay, or you have created the tree in the past on Ancestry and you want to take advantage of this, but you're not currently paying for a subscription, it's going to work, all right? So what you do is you download your Ancestry app, and you can do it on a tablet, an iPad, or your phone, and then you go onto your family tree. And then you click right here and you get a chance to see on the map where all the different locations are on your tree. It's pretty amazing. And when you zoom into an area, then you get an opportunity to see the different facts that happened. Like if you have, in this instance, I have 5 facts that happened in San Francisco. So if I click on that 5, then it's going to show me the different events that happened in that one location. Now this is a super small tree. This is in my dad's account. So it doesn't have a lot of facts in it. The more facts that I would have for the people in the tree, the more dots I would see all over the place. And if you zoom out again, you see that the facts, that there's only one fact, you see the initial of the person that had the fact in that one location. On your computer, you have to pay for ProTools for this, but on your app, it's for free. The other really cool thing that you have access to on your app is if you're on the person, so let's go to a person on your tree, and then you go to one of their facts and you click on the fact, you're going to see where that particular event occurred on a map. Pretty cool. You can also see mapping locations on some of the other programs like MyHeritage, or a private program like Family Tree Maker or Roots Magic. They also have mapping features. So that's another option for you, but those systems aren't free either. Now, I thought this was pretty cool, and so I wanted to share it with you. I don't know whether or not Ancestry is going to be changing and adding ProTools to their app. I'm not an employee of Ancestry. I have no idea. But in the meantime, take advantage of this opportunity while you have it. Even if you're working on your computer most of the time, you can still load it onto a tablet or onto your phone, and you can still have the ability to take a look at that. It can be of some interest to you, and it's a great tool, especially when you're traveling. So if you're doing any more traveling this summer, this might be really helpful for you. Please like this video if it's been of help to you, and throw a comment in there. It helps other people to see it. Down below me is the information to be part of Aimee's crew. It's a monthly charge through YouTube. You get a free handout, plus you get access to a live stream for members only. And so that's awesome. And then over here is the link to my Etsy page where you can just purchase the handout by itself if that's something that interests you. And right up there is that video on Ancestry tablet usage. It kind of goes over very quickly the different features of the app on a tablet.